Okay. So Heather is now about to watch Kids in a Sandbox for the first time. You should be.
Suspense is killing me.
Is the volume up on this thing?
The what? Yeah. Oh boy. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god, no! It's wrong. It's so wrong. Ew!
I put it again, and you're looking at it again. You know that.
I'm gonna puke.
You're looking at it again.
I can't believe
You know
that.
what it is
I
this
don't
time,
wanna
and you're
see
looking at it
again.
again.
I don't want to see it again. Make it go away. It's so weird. Ah!
Look at the still frame.
Burn my
Look at the
eyes
still
out.
frame.
No,
Look
just
at
burn
that.
my eyes
Oh
out.
my
Just
god.
Burn my eyes out right now. Just burn them out. Just put some stuff. No, just make it go away, Brian. Make it go away.
Worst thing ever, right?
Honestly, I think Two Girls, One Cup, even though I've never seen that one, from what I've heard, is probably in my mind grosser.
That's
but
way
that was
worse.
pretty bad. Gross.
She's sufficiently freaked out.